Alrighty, we are going to make a nofollow link in the Gutenberg editor. So I've got the text highlighted that I want to link to. I click the little link jobber and paste it in there. Then because it's going to an external site, I'm going to open it in a new tab and click apply. So that made the link. Then what we need to do is go over to the HTML view and edit the link. So click edit as HTML. Now, if you look at what WordPress did to this, this link, you'll see that it already added the rel equals attribute. So this says no refer, no opener, and I mentioned that a ways down in this post. But that is a security thing. It has nothing to do with SEO or nofollow or anything like that. I'm going to go ahead and just insert the nofollow before that. So we've actually got 3 values in there, and that's fine. Or if you just want to take that out and put nofollow, the no opener just prevents some scripting from going on the other end once they get there. So just, you don't really need to worry about it. But what you do need is rel equals nofollow in there. And then we're going to switch back to edit visually, and that's it. Pretty simple.